asked me where I was from, I said somewhere you never been to. Little town from Molokai, underneath some mango trees. She tried talking with my accent. We held hands and waded into that blue water. She left her flip-flops by my locals on the beach. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes and my sunburned lifted taco. Like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loved Molokai. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots.
I said, let's go shoot tequila. So we walked back to that beach bar. She said, don't cowboys drink whiskey. So we drank bottom shelf. She said, damn, that sky looks perfect. I said, girl, you never seen stars like the one back home. And she said, maybe I should see them for myself.
Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes and my sunburned lifted taco. Like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loved Molokai. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots.
And she told me I was crazy, yeah, but I still thought that maybe she'd show up.
Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes and my sunburned lifted taco. Like a heartbroken